Hi, welcome to the demo of the North Star support bot. Built with pure Python, scikit-learn, TF-IDF, NLP and styled with an outdoor forest green UI running 100% offline with zero external API dependencies. First, let's test order tracking using our quick scenario buttons. Clicking #11 instantly fetches CPAD status if a user enters an invalid order like hash 999. The bot gracefully handles it with suggestions. Step 3, return policy. Next policy queries clicking returns display our 30-day policy rules, and shipping provides exactly daily timeline for standard and accepted methods. Now for gear recommendations, clicking gear races trigger our recommendations wizard generating dynamic products card tailored to outdoor activities and weather conditions. Finally, fallback and human handoff. Unrecognized text trigger smart fallback options clicking talk to human seamlessly hands off the sessions to our simulated live agent. Shara, thanks for watching.